Yes, today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is a stone crusher plant. What is the advantage of this stone crusher plant? Especially in building constructions, stones are most important with bricks, sand, cement and steel. How to make this stone crushing stone crusher plant? How it will crushing will be, how it will be done? That is we can discuss now. Already this web page is also there in my website. In the YouTube video below description you can see the link of my website also. You can, by clicking on that, you can directly see the web page also. Even though why I am doing this YouTube video is, by seeing this video you will have the overall understanding how it will be done, and it is easy to understand. It will give an idea to you to start. Suppose if you want to become an entrepreneur, it will become a good idea to you to start independently. That is the idea to me. So now we can go into the subject of stone crusher plant. Stone chips are one of the main construction materials along with bricks, sand, cement and steel. You can segregate the crushed stone into various sizes like 35 mm, 20 mm and 12 mm, etc. for different uses. Crushed stone aggregates are essential for the construction of roads, bridges, housing, industrial building construction. It is an essential item for the other cement-based products. Registration and license. Register your firm with ROC. Obtain trade licenses from the local authority. Register with Udyog Aadhar MSME. It will help you in getting government subsidy on the capital investment. Obtain consent to establish and consent to operate, both from the State Pollution Control Board. Stone crusher plant requires high voltage of electricity. Apply for the construction in the local power station. Stone crusher plant is a labor-intensive operation. Follow the EPF and ESI norms according to the rule. Check the VAT registration norms of your state. Investment for stone crusher plant. Major working capital costs are raw material, manpower and utilities. Under the PMEGP scheme, you can get the subsidy from the banks. In the project funding, there must be a percentage of promoters' allocation of the fund. And then stone crusher plant machines and raw materials. Stone crusher plant machinery depends on the feed size of the stone, the desired product size and the size of crusher used. I am also preparing the notes to explain all the things and in a systematic manner, so that I am explaining to you. Okay, you can see the web page also in my website. Following are generally required machinery: jaw crusher and granulator, conversion kit for converting crushed stone granules, set of hoppers of manual braking, rotary screen completes with all fittings, trolleys for carrying crushed material, belt conveyor with motor, cyclonic dust collector with motor, spare jaws, jigs, fixtures and tools. These are the generally required machinery for stone crushing plant. So then we can go into the types of stone crushers. Stone crusher plants are available in two major types, namely stationary and portable or mobile. Establish stationary crushers at quarry heads, mainly at the construction site. You can use the portable crushers. Stone crusher plant production process. Break the big stone boulders to smaller size manually, then it fed to the stone crusher. The crusher can accept the size of 175 mm stone crushing is the two-stage process. In the first stage, crush the 175 mm stone to about 50 mm. Thereafter, feed the crusher with a conversion kit to enable granulation of 5 to 20 mm. Then screen the crushed material by the rotary screen. Unit location is a major factor for stone crushing plant business, because in stone crusher plant it is something dust will be overloading from the plant, so dust will come, so that side residential colonies and everything will be a little bit disturbances and air pollution, not air pollution, dust pollution will be there. So that you should have the complete confirmation from the stone crushing plant. If you want to start it, you should get all licenses and confirmations from the boards and governments, and you can take licenses also. First you should clear those problems, then you can start a stone crusher. But once starting stone crusher plant, it will never give any loss to anybody at any time. Even stone crushers may be lodged for 1 year or 2 years with natural calamities and corona effects and lockdown effects. Something will be there. Even though once if it is cleared, then the complete large stones and everything will be immediately it will sail out, because that is the capacity of, because constructions are everywhere buildings are increasing, construction is increasing, and even old constructions are demolishing, old multiple constructions are there with multiple apartments. Those apartments also after 100 years it will be demolished and again reconstruction should be done. So always construction is there in everywhere in the entire world, so that it is the regular item, but it's not essential, but it is a regular item to use. So stone crushing is most important. It is the main product in bricks, sand and cement and steel. Along with suppose concrete construction is there, means stones also 5 mm stones also they are using. So likewise it will be very useful, and it will increase your business also. But only thing is you should distribute visiting cards in the surrounding areas around 15 to 20 kilometers of your area. Then you will get a very good business. And in Google also, Google business option is there. In that also you should provide your factory images and what are the stones you are providing and what is the quality and your experience in this. Everything, if you one page of simple notes is available, it is better to put in Google business in Google search engine. Then you will get a very good income. And how I am saying in Google is, suppose anyone is required stones are required for construction, means they can put a stone crusher plant nearer to our area, means first it will come to your area only. Then you can see while clicking on your stone business, it will while clicking on your factory photos and processing, just not video is also not required, only photos are enough. Nowadays nobody is interested to see videos, only photos are enough. How it will be there in the area and how the standard is there and how many years of experience. Simple one page note is there with contact number and website name and everything is there, means it is easy to contact and to inform you and to get their raw material. So it is a very good business, and it is very good to country also. In every country, for example India, once crusher plants are there, means stone crusher plants are there, means you are one of the main pillar in construction regarding building works. So you will also become a wealth to the nation. So stone crusher plants establishing is a very good process, and but it will not get regular income. But sometimes it will 5-6 months gap will come. After that, the complete 6 months of production will go in one day also. Likewise, it will be there. So always business will be there. So you can do this and take care of this, and you will get very good business. But one thing, you should have patience, because stone crushers means what will happen is it will not take one every week and every month. Around 5 to 6 months one order will come. That order will cover your completely, it will stamp out your complete production of 6 months. That is there in the stone crusher plant. So be careful and be alert and have some patience also in this plant. But don't depend on only on income basis. Only don't depend on stone crusher plant business, because for every monthly maintenance you should have your own other source of income, or otherwise particular fund should be there. Otherwise every month it will not come income. After 2 months you may get the order. After 3 months you may get another order. After 5 months you may get an order. Once order comes means the rest of the old stock will go in one day itself. So that is the advantage of this plant. So be careful, and it will be useful to you, and you will also become one of the part of the development of the country growth. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.